Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about control statements, if and if else, part of programming in C course. In C, the if statement is a selection statement that allows you to control the flow of execution of your program based on a Boolean condition. The basic syntax of an if statement is as follows. The condition is any expression that evaluates to either true or false. If the condition is true, the statements inside the curly braces are executed. If the condition is false, the statements are skipped and the program continues with the next statement after the if statement. Here is an example of an if statement in C. In this example, the condition x is greater than 0 is true. So the statement printf x is positive is executed and the output is x is positive. The if statement can be executed with an else statement, which is executed when the if condition is false. In this example, the if condition is true, so the statement inside if block is executed and the output is x is positive. Additionally, multiple conditions can be checked using if else. If ladder, where multiple conditions are checked one by one. If any of the condition is true, the corresponding block is executed and the control comes out of the ladder. In this example, the first if condition is true, so the statement inside the first if block is executed and the output as x is positive is printed. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.